Hi everyone, Miss Joelle here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking to you about speech-to-text recognition across a wide variety of platforms. So you do need to be in Google Chrome for this to work because it's from the Chrome store. So go ahead and type in voice-to-text extension, and this first link will take you to the Google Chrome store. And this is where you can click Add to Chrome. Would you like to add this extension? Yes, you would. And you'll see that now it has popped up on my browser. It's going to pop up this page. You do not need this, so go ahead and X out of it. Now, what you are going to need is you are going to need to find a spot where you would like to type. So I am going to show you this microphone here shows you whether or not the page you're on is accessible with voice to text typing. So like this page right here is not, and you'll notice that's because there's nowhere to type on this page, right? So were I to go to Google, now you'll see that my microphone is accessible because I'm going to be typing. So if I want to type into Google, I'm going to click the microphone. I'm going to unclick it so it doesn't type what I say right now. It will ask you the first time you use it, it'll ask you to allow access to the microphone. So don't forget to click allow when that pops up. But I'm going to click it now. You will notice that it is red whenever I am recording. So now it is red and it is going to type what I say. Period. You'll notice it's typing above where I am writing. And when I pause, it inserts it into the text box. Exclamation point. So you can see it's not perfect, but it does a pretty great job. So I'm going to delete all of that. I'm going to show you, you can use this in any sort of comment box. So anywhere like this. So I'm going to go ahead and write a comment. Hi, blah, blah, blah. Great job on your work, exclamation point. All right, so I could leave my comment there. Now you'll notice I accidentally spoke while it was still recording. So I'll delete that and I could leave my comment. Let's delete it. You can also use this in any form of like grading text box. So like, actually, let's go to my, okay, let's go to my test course and I'll show you in my grade book. Let's go here to my speed grader. And let's say I want to leave a comment here. You did a great job on this assignment, exclamation point. And I simply click to stop the recording. So again, you can use this anywhere where you have the option to type and write something in a text field. The only exception is what I want to show you here. On Google Docs already has an embedded voice to text tool. So you're going to see when I try to do this, it tells me to use the built-in tool. So the way that I do that is I go over here to tools and I click voice typing. And now this is an app that's like actually embedded in Google Docs. So I just click this and now I can talk to text, period. 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 There we go. I don't know why that took so long. Anyway, so that is an option when you are in Google Docs. So hopefully this will be helpful for grading, leaving comments, any sort of like composing emails or things like that. Also, don't forget about the Pro Keys tip as well for some keyboard shortcuts to comment on grades. Hope that was helpful. Have a great day.